Today we're doing the Nerf Gun teeth challenge.
Tooth challenge.
Tooth challenge.
Show them your tooth. It's coming out today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So you're not gonna have any more front teeth. That's so sad. It's almost Christmas.
I know.
You ready for it?
Mm-hmm.
Show them the gun. Show them what we're gonna do.
We're gonna hang the string right here, and then we're gonna put the bullet, I think, in here, or probably tie it, and then we're gonna shoot it at my teeth.
Alright, here we go. See you guys in a little bit.
Yep.
Alright, Christian's ready. Christian has the gun ready. He has his teeth tied. You can see the rope coming out of his mouth. And he is ready to go. Okay, Christian. On a count of 3. 1. Point higher. 2. Put your hand down. Higher. 3. Go. Open your mouth. You have to open your mouth, though. Okay, now go. Higher. Okay, go.
I can't do
It's not gonna hurt. It's not gonna hurt.
Okay.
Okay, I promise it's not gonna hurt. If it hurts, Daddy give you $20. Open your mouth, though. You have to open your mouth.
1, 2. No.
Come on, Christian. Okay, just conquer your fear. Daddy, you think Daddy's lying to you?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy's not lying to you. It's not gonna hurt, weirdo. Okay, come on. Look at me. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! It's like the small little Nerf gun did not work. So we're using the big one.
Which I don't want to use.
Okay.
And I want to take it off.
On a count of 3. Okay, come on. Point up. Shoot Uncle Thomas. Oh my god, it was so big.
What are you trying to do?
Open your mouth.
Make a bobber out of it?
Higher. 1, 2. Don't shoot me.
I like that.
1, 2, 3. Go.
I don't want to shoot it.
You want me to do it again?
No!
1. Say cheese.
Cheese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
It still didn't pull
Oh
out!
my god! Ah!
I can't run it.
Oh, come on. Run. Dun, 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 dun.
Nope.
Okay, open your mouth. Dun, 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 dun. Christian, guess what?
Oh, it broke off!
It worked! Run. Dun, 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 dun.